Hi everyone, Daisy here with another layout share. This is for day 6 of the 30 Days of Sketches with Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. I actually thought I had made a video for this one, and apparently I did not. So I'm just going to do a layout share. I'm hoping to record videos for most of them because I don't like doing layout shares. I don't know why. Like, I feel like I ramble too much or something. So this sketch was I don't know, like a tropical kind of feeling one or whatever. And I was going to go completely different with it. Like, I love what Christy created. And I almost just kind of copied her because she showed me hers before I made mine. But I'm like, no, we're not going to direct copy Christy. We can scrap lift her later. So I chose to do kind of a fun layout that's a little bit different from my usual style. Not that my layouts aren't fun, but it's different than my usual style. So I had the idea stuck in my head that I was going to use the Simple Stories collection. And the paper I wanted to use didn't work for me. So I think it's this one. I wanted to use this one, which is the Sun's paper, and I think this is the summer layout or summer collection from last year or maybe the year before. I got this one, the collection, from Peachy Cheap when I was their guest designer. So anyhow, I wanted to use that sun paper, but it didn't match the sun that I cut out. This cut file is from Paper Issues, and there's a sun in the, like, I went really literal with this. I'm not like even gonna lie about that. So anyway, I used the sun. It didn't match the paper, so I flipped the paper over and I'm like, oh, I kind of like these cacti on the other side, so I'll use these. So then I had to completely change what I was doing because the photo I was going to use didn't match with it, and yeah. So I picked out these two photos of my older two children, and we are down at the farmer's market eating street corn because it's the best. Like, everybody lines up for the street corn. It's amazing. And you get a little cup of it, and it has, like, either you can get it just plain with butter and salt and stuff, or you can get it with, like, all the fixins. So they put in, like, I think sour cream and some kind of spice and salt and butter, and they mix it all up, and then you just eat it out of the, or you can get corn on the cob, which we often get that too because it's just as messy but more fun. So anyhow, in this one they're just eating, and in this one he's like threatening to dump corn on her head. So that seems about right. So anyway, I added the sun. I put a little sunglasses from the sticker sheet on there, just because it's fun, right? It's a fun layout. I added some floral stickers around the page. I fussy cut these out of the cut apart sheet, just because I felt like I needed, more of a nod to the cacti. I did these 3 little phrases, and then I cut apart another phrase sticker to add to the title. So it says best summer snacks ever. These are from Felicity Jane from quite a few years ago now, their Christmas collection, and they don't stick worth a darn, and this is with glue on them, so I'm a little concerned. I'm hoping the bottoms will stay stuck and just the tops are popping up. I don't know, I'm a little concerned. And then these are Jelly Bean Soup letter stickers. I layered up some banners here. So this is from Cardstock Warehouse, and then Simple Story. This is one of the stickers from Simple Stories, and I added some Spiegel Mom Scrap sequins around and then outlined around the page. Now the background paper is actually like it's a speckle tone paper from Cardstock Warehouse, so it looks like it's recycled, and I really like that kind of look for this layout. But so I was struggling with a title, and Christy sent me some pictures of things from Pinterest, and one of them was something about I only care about these pricks or something like that. And I just wanted to title this "Don't Be a Prick," because he's about to dump that corn on her head. But I don't know, I felt weird about it. I was just thinking of, if I didn't want to offend anybody, but that would be the perfect title for this. So anyway, I tore this little piece of notebook paper out of an actual notebook, and I backed it with a little white cardstock just to make it a little bit thicker because it was pretty see-through. But this is in the sketch, the little notebook piece, so I wanted to add that. The Spiegelbaum scrap sequins it's one of my favorite new releases. Malibu Sunset, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Malibu Sunset. I really love those ones. I don't know if they're still available in the shop, but they are gorgeous. So I added some of those around. And yeah, that's pretty much the layout. So let's see if I can get this to focus right. I popped just the tops of the cacti up on some foam. Cacti is a fun word. And yeah, so it's just a fun summery type layout. It was fun to make. I really like these a lot. But yeah, so if you haven't subscribed already, I would greatly appreciate if you did. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment if you have a minute. I really appreciate everybody. I've gotten some new viewers, and I'm super excited about that. Welcome, and thank you so much for taking time, even if it's just a couple of minutes, to watch any of my videos. It's really greatly appreciated. I recently hit 1,500 subscribers. Woo! I'm super excited about it. I am planning a giveaway. I just have to finalize some details, so there will be more information about that coming soon, I'm hoping. But yeah, I hope everybody is staying healthy and staying happy and, not murdering each other while you're stuck in the house with your kids all the time. We all feel your pain. We're here for you. If you need anything, just reach out and we will all let you vent. So don't forget to check out everybody else who's playing along. It is Moira, Crystal from Pineapple Papers, Shannon from She's Crafty, I believe, is playing along most of the time, maybe not all the time. And then I think it's Jennifer from Scrap and Cane. I really got to look up her name. I think it's Jennifer, but I don't know why I cannot keep that in my brain. And then, of course, my bestie Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. There will be links down below for all of that information. And yeah, have a happy Monday. I will see you again soon. Bye.